paid tonight. Come on, outlaws, hear that call. Dust on the boots, no fear at all. We're all in this for the long, hard run. Same rough work, same rising sun. Stay tuned, he's coming through. That trading cowboy's got work to do. He'll roll in fast, take the wheel, then we ride those charts like a steel horse steel. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. Cuts hard and the numbers shake. We hold our ground, we don't break. Side by side when the pressure climbs. Same old code, same outlaw minds. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. The trading cowboy is riding in soon. Boots on the boards and a grin for the room. We've been waiting here, staring down the sand, with a cold cup of nerve and a steady right hand. He said, lock in, boys, hold your line. We ain't blinking now, not this time. Future's on fire, the night feels mean, but we know how to move in the in-between. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one.
Good morning, cowboys and cowgirls. Welcome to the tack room. What is happening? What is this move, guys? Can we get a mic check? H-Town, good morning. Good morning, good sir. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? Look at that pump. Like nothing ever happened, huh guys? Like nothing ever happened. Right up to that pivot point right there. Well, there's not a pivot point there. Never mind. Never mind, chat. Forget what I said. We got a pivot point up here at 30,137-ish. Can we push up there? Sinister, good morning. New combine up 1,000 already. Nice. 500 done for the day. Big Greg. Yeah, we're at our cabin in Colorado for the 4th. We do this every year. Go, so stop trying to eat my shirt. I loved your video yesterday, though. The goat of trading right there. The true goat of trading. Little pull back here to the 40s. See if we come back down here, maybe to the 34s. It'd be pretty easy here, Sinister. It's just going to be hot dogs and hamburgers. We're kind of under, it's real green here. I don't know if y'all can tell by the picture, but down below us, they've had a lot of fires and stuff. So got to be a little careful, I guess. Heck yeah, some tri-tip and ribeye, bro. I love it. I love it. Do we try the shore right here? What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? It feels early to me, but we got to the cabin about 2 o'clock in the morning last night. Is this a push down, guys? Put us a wick up here and I'll try a little short. Put us a wick up here and I'll try a little short. It's trying to hold it, which kind of makes me a little nervous. What are y'all thinking? Sinister, how's my volume?
They call it gambling.
Oh, see, I want a wick up here. I don't want to try it without that wick.
I call it one trade away. One setup. One clean execution. One funded account. Away from changing everything.
Does that help any? Does that change anything? Alright, we just dropped below. Much better. Nice. So yeah, guys, a little trading from Colorado today. Which sinister, I need to look at my top step too. I barely was able to squeeze it in yesterday. Just barely. Barely able to squeeze in that 15 right at the end yesterday. I think we ended up closing at like 15:05, I think. Heck yeah, look at that. That break, test the 50. Classic. Let's see if we get that bounce right here. Let's see if we get that bounce. See if we can ride it back up to that shoulder. See if we're gonna have any volume. I feel like we need to hold right here for a little bit of a move. $170 in Asia last night though, so that's payout due, right? Payout due. Too cool, man. Too cool. That's the 4th of July you want right there. That's the 4th you want. Alright, we got one TP right there already. I'm just going to drop a stop at the bottom of that shoulder maybe. And see if we can get this next. See if it's going to push up here. It may not. We're going to tell right now which way we're going, right? Made 100 on that push. Nice. I just wanted to test it at the beginning. Just give it a little test.
Right before the move they were waiting for. The market rewards the cowboys who keep riding. Giddy up. Giddy up.
Do 10 macros to get a K, then finish the last 5 with 500. Nice, I like that. I like it. Alright, I can't get above those EMAs, guys, so unless we get a big push right here. I'll bring this back down here, see if this 50 will protect this, but kind of trying to make a little bull flag right here. Let's see. I don't want it to wig down here, take me out, and then get that push though. That's what I'm worried about a little bit. That 5 looks terrible, right? Flagging on the 1 though. Bouncing off the 50 again. There we go. There's that push we wanted. There's that push. TP right there. All right. All right. Maybe remember what we're doing from yesterday. Maybe we remember. That was a nice push. Let's see if it gives us some more. Nice little tray. Let's add that to our win column. Man, Sinister, man, you could have had a mega short than a mega long, right? Golly. Are we going to get push again? Or is this EMA going to fail? I'm going to try again. It's a little early. We're not even through that bull flag yet. Nice. Can we go take out these highs? Keep pushing. Ooh, that was it, wasn't it? We'll take one off just in case. I'm going to add it back down here at the 22s maybe. Thinking 250. I like it. I like to catch it with all my accounts. That'd be classic, wouldn't it? Close at 250 for the 250th anniversary. Let's just see if we can push up here and break these highs. So we had a beautiful bear flag. We missed it. We drew it and missed it. We played this bull flag, and now we're playing this bull flag. So it looks like the flags are playing. Come on, we got to get through those 940s. 940s, guys, 940s. All right, look here. Here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do, chat. We're flagging again. We're flagging again. If we come back through here, we're going to add into this. Our stop is down here at the 908s, 910s. Just going to see if this 50 will hold us is all. This could be a little rejection. Give me one more little wick and then let's go. Okay, there's our wig. Now let's push up. Let's push up right there. Are we gonna push? I'm gonna take these off. I'm adding 2 right there. Stop staying the same. Stop staying the same. Move it to the bottom of that. There's my stop there. Oh, I guess. That 909 could be our support.
Face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins.
Alright, no look on the bottom of that one, guys. Let's be careful. This could be a bear flag now. Could be getting that bear flag we don't want. Yep.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow, chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard. Hear that bell?
Come on, baby. Still no wick at the bottom of this, guys, so be careful.
This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run long into the highs. Yeah,
There we go.
that sun.
There we go. I'm going to take one off right there.
This could be the best 8 seconds.
And then another push to that shoulder. And TP to this shoulder. Look at that. It comes right down here and puts a wick on this and doesn't bounce. We're definitely going to switch to the bottom. Plus 180, 220, and I'm done. That a baby sinister. That a baby. Wait just a little bit though. You're the only one talking to me in the chat. Don't make all that money now and leave. Let's make it quick though. If the volume runs out on it, I'll be out early too. I'll be out early too. All right, all I want on this candle is to put a wick on it. I just want to wick on this previous candle and then I push back up if it's gonna go that low. That's all I want.
Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery. Just one more contract. That's what I said.
Guys.
Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red. Told a chat I'm disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now I'm praying.
Kind of want to be flat right here.
The market give it, the market take it away. One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I sized up crazy, thought I couldn't lose. Now I'm eating ramen noodles, singing funded.
I'm a little surprised I closed up there. A little surprised.
Did I really lose? If I hide the P&L, can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass the evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett. If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it.
There's the wick. I don't want any more. Bounce right there. Bounce right there.
Diamond hands on a terrible trade, telling everybody it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce, turn small losses into large amounts. Cowboys don't cry when the charts go south. We just mute the mic and walk around the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys.
Come on, give us that push.
That's what everybody says. Ride the candles. Survive the margin call. Funded by Friday. Blown by Monday. The trading cowboy, giddy up. Giddy up. Nobody talks about the emotions. Everybody posts the wins. Nobody posts the nights they sat there, questioning if they're built for this.
Come on, market. Is this going to be it, guys?
This one's for the traders fighting battles nobody sees. The trading cowboy.
16 points on the last move.
Giddy up. Some mornings I wake up confident.
All right, there's one taking off. Just targeting every shoulder right now, guys. Every shoulder. Here comes the next shoulder.
Heart racing at the open.
Looks like it barely missed me.
Hands shaking on the mouse. One red candle changes everything. Silence fills the house. You ever stare at your account and feel your whole chest sink? Wonder how one little click can push you to the brink. Nobody sees the pressure. Nobody feels that pain. Everybody loves the profit. Nobody loves the rain. Day trading futures messes with your soul.
Come on, market.
Next minute you lose control. Green days got
I thought maybe Sinister you'd be DJing some cool parties or something this weekend, no? You retired from all that? Just have all the stuff? Alright, there's another target. Now we're looking for those 937s. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some stops in here at break even. Not too much anymore. Just make your own party. Cool. Every once in a while, catching music festivals, nice. Too cool.
Something inside says, one more ride, cowboy. Day trading futures messes with your soul. 1 minute you're high, next minute
What? Brazil? In Europe? Are you serious? Bro, that's when I need to go with y'all. We can go see all our people. Alright, hit that next target, that next shoulder. I'm going to move it up to that wick it just did right there. I'm going to start trailing these right here. Looking for 51 would be the next shoulder. So 51 and then I don't know after that. 51 and then the high of the day. Australia in a month, Sinister. What are you doing over there? She returning the favor? She gonna house you for a while? There's the pop. Let's go. Fish, good morning. Good morning, fish. That's exactly what it is. I'm going to set one stop up there at 35. Right at the bottom of that candle. I'm probably going to come get it right now, but see how it's kind of making a little doji right there. So, good morning, good morning. Alright, I got one taken off right there. I'm just going to leave this one and see if we can get that push. I think we're going to get a little bit of downside right now. Stops at the bottom of that previous candle's low. Yeah, volume's definitely low. I mean, I guess we're doing okay. We're up 350 so far. I'm going to keep a little extra points and move it to the bottom of that wick. This is the last one, guys. We've taken one off at each shoulder. Probably take us out right here. What the heck, let's move it down. This is the last runner. Right at the 61.8 retrace of yesterday's action. Can you believe all that movement last night, though? Can you believe all that? V recovery right to 30,250. Sinister says earlier. How classic would it be if we could close the market at 250? Probably not, though. We definitely think it was rigged in, right? Alright, getting a little bit of downside right here. No wick at the top of that candle. We want it to stay right above that. We have about a minute and 10 seconds before the 5-minute candle closes. What does our hourly look like?
Coffee gone cold, I still king. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I rope that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats count.
At this pace, maybe 30. Yeah.
Dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk is my glass walled house.
Kind of feel like we're trying to turn over. I'm gonna get out of this last one. I'm out of that last one flat for right now. I kind of want to look at these shorts. You're gonna pump now. I'm trying the short. Stop's just going to be up here at the top of these candles. If it comes and gets it, it comes and gets it. It's just trying. I'm just trying. Not financial advice, guys. Looks like it's going to pump now. That candle looked like it was setting up for a perfect little short. Like the perfect short. We still need to come down here and put a wick on this candle down here. That's 10 points. You almost could have your stop it. You can almost move your stop down to the 40s now. Alright, I can put a wick on that candle at the 20s. We still need a wick right there. That 856 candle needs a little wick on it. That should take one TP off. Not a lot of ATR right now, guys, right? So you kind of got to move your TPs up a little bit. This may not be a nice 50, 100 point TPs unless we sit here all day in one trade.
Stack it on the last, every little tick dropping kind of fast.
there's that TP hit. Let's see if we can get down here to 200 now. I'm going to take this one off, moving my stop to break even. And now we see if these are going to roll over for us. Ooh, look at that wick, showed up to 910 out of nowhere and bounced. My body of my candle didn't even move. Maybe that's my internet. Alright, 1 minute left on this next 5-minute candle. Trying to get that push down. Back to the 910s. I'm going to trail this to this candle here. It comes back to the high of that one. That'll get us 10 points, just like our first TP. See if we can get that push down. Those 910s again. Pretty sure we couldn't get over those 910s yesterday. Alright, this could be a long right here. Let's see if it stops me out. Okay, we had our doji. I wish it would have came down here and put it in a lower low and then turn green. Let's go, come on. TP us out real quick so I can grab some coffee. TP us so I can get some coffee, come on. Let's move this to 900. Let's move it down here. Let's move to the 890s. Let's get crazy, chat. Chef Trades, good morning, good sir. Good morning. Welcome to the tack room number 2, tack room 2.0. Welcome to the Colorado tack room. Akash, hey Cowboy. Hey Cowboy, you Akash. There's my trading cowboy, Mr. Akash himself. It's a little slow, Akash, but we've taken some trades. We've added into some bull flags and stuff. We're up almost 400 today so far. In what, the last 45 minutes? Come on. All right, let's go tag those 9. Let's just push right through this 200. We don't want to bounce. We don't want to bounce. Just chasing this, guys. My runner is at stop is at 913 on my last runner. How's y'all's day going? How have y'all been doing? This is the 200, guys, so we should get a bounce right here. We got some support here at the 903s, 905s. I'm not going to be surprised if we bounce, but I feel like we could come down here and take these shoulders out. Right here. Maybe that's far stretched. Up 131, jumped in one trade just before joining the stream. Nice job, Akash. Heck yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. Chef Trade's doing good. Trade until noon, then headed to Austin to the lake. Didn't you say, what did you tell me? Lake Travis? Is that what you told me? Yes, sir, Lake Travis. All right. Hey, my memory's not very good, but I try to remember. Y'all are like family, so Chef Trade's telling me where he's going. That's like my brother calling saying, hey, I'm running to the lake this weekend. Take care of the stock market while I'm gone. Guys, it looks like we could push through this 200. Should we move the target? We'll leave the target just in case. But we're just going to start trailing it. I'm moving my TP. I'm moving back to the 200s now. If it comes back to the 200s, I'll be out at 902. Looks like it's going to pop right back up. This may be all it needed. Alright, never mind. I'm moving it back up to 908. 908. Top of that wick there. That's going to get it anyway. Alright, out right there on that trade. Not bad, not bad. We'll take it. Gave it just a little bit more. After that wick, I should have knew that. What do we have? 30 seconds on this candle. Let's see if it closes green. Yeah, we should have just jumped in when that candle opened. It didn't push down, guys, so and we're going to be going over this whenever we start doing some of our new videos we got coming out, hopefully, but I wanted it to come back down to like the 908, 905s. I don't care where it comes down to, but I want it to come down, retrace half, And then I always set my entry at the top of that shoulder. So my entry would have been 913, and it would have been for a buy to go in. And then as it pushed back up, it would have entered me here at the top of this shoulder for this push. My old style, and I still do it sometimes, y'all will watch me, if we're in a nice push hard up momentum trend, I'll buy it right here at the half all the time. But there's so many times we get this push, this candle opens, and then we eat that whole candle back up and we continue that down movement. So I still think this could be bearish right here. So let's see. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Ah, we should have just went short. Should have shorted it again. I wonder what that, y'all probably have it on your chart. Is that an EMA up there where those two candles rejected off of? I always watch for the push through the 50. It closed above it, and the next candle pushes under it. That's got to be an EMA right there. Is it like 100 or 80 or 75? Because that happens all the time, right? Just 50% retrace of this move from here, from 947 fish. 27. Okay, yeah, I get it. I just always wait for that 50 EMA for it to push past, close above it, and then push back down. So we need one of the guys to invent us a 50% retracement on every that moves with us. That moves from what, like our last swing high or something, or all EMAs are below on that move. I got you. God, look at that push down. 925 short paid. Dang it. Oh, that's where I wanted to be short, was 920. Look at that. Dadgummit.
Twice beat the market too. Yellow legal pad full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah.
Let's push back up. Beautiful push back up. Might test 908. How did you know that? I can't show it on the screen because I don't know how to switch them, but literally took it just on an eval. But I literally got in at 892. My stop's at 912 right now. There's the 50 EMA on the one. Stops at 914. All right, out right there. Wow, beautiful push. Beautiful push. That helped me a bunch. Still pushing. Still pushing. What are we getting?
Keep my rules, Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan a trade, trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. That's all. Consistency.
So yeah, admittedly, I had a Tradeify eval yesterday that I literally entered a long position in. Same time we were long in one of the other ones. And it was one of those times that went against us. And within probably 15 seconds, it hit the daily stop. But to give you an idea, it was so fast. It's a 1250 stop. And it stopped it at like 1600. So it only had $400 left. I feel like they should reset those for you. I feel like if it has a daily loss limit, that no matter how fast it goes through your price, how fast it sells, it should give you that credit, right? Or is that just because it would reward us? I mean, if you have a $1,250 loss, daily loss limit, then stop it there for us. I want to be short with fish. I do. I don't want it to break above this bull flag though. I wouldn't run too much. 982. $8.92. Okay. I was like, wait a minute, I figured to short this, and he switched on me. Alright, we're short right there. Looks like we're slowing down again, aren't we? We're making a little bull flag. There we go, come on. Let's go touch this 200. Looking for the 895s. That's kind of the bottom of that shoulder right there. I think fish at 892. fish. I'm glad I wasn't there those days. Of course, I mean, I guess that's kind of when I was playing penny stocks when nothing was moving there, right? Where you literally just bought it, set an alert for 30 days, and hoped you got something. All right, I'm gonna drop a stop right there at the top of that. 923s, 926s. I mean, I remember some of those guys, they said you literally could just go in there and set like a 50 point to 100 point TP, and you just walked away. Sugar Trader, what's happening, my friend? What's going on? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the Tack Room 2.0 right here in Colorado. All right, guys, I don't know. Let's see. So if you look right here, it put a wick down here, kind of cleaned this mess up right here. These 910s was a support earlier. No trading for me today, just rest. I love it, brother. We're trying to get in a couple little ones. Just trying to get in a little trade day on this funded. Got an eval I'm working on too on the side right here. So caught a beautiful long couple shorts so far. Playing micros on this funded. This eval was almost blown from yesterday being so quick. I mean, I didn't even get to work on it at all. Literally the first trade, it hit the daily loss. But we caught that big green candle a while ago. We caught that for dang near the bottom of it. Even a little bit lower, actually. 892s, and rode it all the way up to 914 with a mini. So that really helped. All right, here comes the 200, pushing right through the 200. Stops at break even in case it bounces off that 200. Looking for 895s. Heck yeah, Chef. All right, that's why I'm dropping my stop in the break even right there, guys. We hit it earlier pretty good. We're up 411, 412 right now on this funded. It's barely over the buffer. I'm probably gonna trade it for a whole nother week. I won't trade it Monday since I'm trading it today.
Cowboy laughs, ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy
Trying to hold it here.
a dealing tune while Charles drives Charles like a dusty old car. Well, trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Mark those got that R&B.
Here we go. Nice little bear flag, kinda. If you squint a little bit, that was kind of a bear flag setup. Bouncing hard though, bouncing hard. I say bouncing hard. That's a 5-point candle. That's a 6-point candle. Is this the market now, or is my internet way too slow up here? Way too slow up here at the very top of the mountain.
Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feel like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky. Take that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go. Let's ride. Oh, yeah. Coffee cup ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind, fast market, and that's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patient pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too.
What's up, good news? What's up? You gotta move this market, bro. We've been crushing it. I mean, this one's just, we took that short up here on that rejection, but I mean, we're up 408 on this account, and eval I'm working on that was almost blown, it's back up 1238. So I'm still not back to 50K on it, but I brought it almost back from the dead. We're looking for those 895s on the short. Stops in the money though. We can't lose. We've already taken a couple off. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patient pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. We're getting close, chat. We're getting close, chat. Nine points on that candle. We're moving up. That previous candle was 3.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts are like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, white screen saloon. Yeah, we shout yee-ho to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail.
All right, this might be the bounce. It wicked down there through there. right through that 900 area. If it breaks this, if it breaks this 910, she's gonna move back up a little bit. Hold, soldiers. If it breaks 910, we're toast. Look at that push. Not toast, I guess. We didn't lose anything, but we're gonna close that right here. I'm gonna close that. I'm flat right there. I'm gonna look for a long. It may eat this candle all the way back up, but I'm gonna try. No volatility. No, it's terrible. It's terrible, Levine. Crazy. Whoa, what is that? Whoa, I caught another one. Caught another one. Range and market, yeah. Let me see if I can get y'all this screen. I don't think I can. This is just an eval. Is that what it was, Chef? No, I can't get you that screen. How do I do that? Let me see. Hold on. All the way back down. Should have added at 925 on that short. Let's see if I have it now. There we go. There we go. Look at this. This is Tradeify. Literally, it was one trade yesterday. So fast. I entered with one mini. It popped up like $100 bucks, so I added another one, and it dropped so fast. They have a 1250 daily loss limit, it lost like 1,600. It was so fast. But on those last 2 pops, we got it back up $1,400 to get it back up, just back up to the 50K. So now we can start trading it like it was real. But now we can start like we never saw it before.
I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine, fast market. That's a deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rose and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more.
Still want to target those shorts again. Is that crazy?
To white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rose and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground.
What if we get 20 likes? Then we can have a blast on the 4th of July. Charles, no joke, no joke. 20 likes, Charles. Fish says 25-point range day, yeah. And it's a slow one, right? Charles, thanks for stopping by, though, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. I mean, not bad, I guess, for range playing minis. We're up 402 on that account. We got this other one up 1487 on an eval that was almost blown. We resurrected back to life.
They call it gambling. I call it one trade away. One setup. One clean execution. One funded account.
I mean, hey, we're halfway there on our likes anyway, right?
The trading cowboy. The trading cowboy. Every trader knows a feeling. Staring at the screen at night. Dreaming about the day.
Sinister just needs 170. Come on, I need to switch over to that one.
Bills stack high on the counter. Pressure heavy on your chest. Let's go. Telling yourself this next.
I like that strategy, Sinister. We need to teach people that too, right? We need to teach them that. Kosh just needs 630. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You know, I think I do that. Maybe not as much as I should, but I do that a lot. And I do it the opposite way too, right? When I start out with a funded in the morning, I may start out with like 1 or 2 micros and then add into that as I get a little bit of buffer. So
Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast, but every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters. That don't last.
Being 30 bucks away. I do that pretty consistently, Sinister. I do that pretty consistent. Asia session about, I don't know when it was. It was one of those nights where you were on there, and I went and grabbed my computer when I saw you on there, and I jumped on, and then you just like literally like clicked off the second I clicked in the stream. So I just traded a little bit on my own, and I was at 52.70 I think on a Lucid, and ended up blowing it. So I lost the whole 2,000, buffer plus the 2,000 stop right there, Asia, all by myself. So I'm glad you didn't stay, I guess. But so you didn't have to see me cry in my hat. But that was a couple weeks ago. But what a time to be alive.
The market rewards the cowboys who keep riding. Giddy up. Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Charts still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson in
5 green days, boys. Nice, Sinister.
this is the Cowboys law, write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof.
That's exactly right. Sinister, we need to make a little deal. We need to make a video of you walking down the beach talking about that. That's what we need to do. You'll be famous. Hey, you had to pull away, get out of there. A week later, you're taking payout. Yeah, good news says protect that capital. He's not joking. He's not joking. Good news made 70 bucks, but saw the market was going and decided not to trade. I like it, good news. That's a big step, brother. That's a big step. Keeps me in check. I don't want to let you down. Oh, we're getting teary-eyed, Sinister. It does make a difference, though, right? It does make a difference when you have just a group of people that you trade with, and you kind of know, like, hey, they know, like, when you call out a trade too, right? I feel like it for me anyway. I mean, sometimes I will take a move that I think, okay, I'm seeing some momentum. Am I seeing this right? But it always puts me in check too. Like, am I actually seeing what this is? Because, like, what if somebody new comes in here that doesn't know that I'm just a gunslinging cowboy, and they don't know, and they just click the button and follow me? I want to make sure halfway that I had some kind of conviction or something, right? So when we call out trades, when we trade together and we know, hey, we got this account that's doing good. We got this account that's fixing to be blown. I think it does give us a little bit more, keeps us in check, right? It's like going to the gym. Yeah, exactly. I love it. It does make a difference. I tell you, trading on Stream Live makes a difference. For sure. There's our 25-point range again. Trade similarly used, so glad to be on the same page. Nice. That makes a big difference too, right? I mean, I like to watch, well, I mean, really, I have to go back and watch, so it's hard for me to say, hey, I would have took that trade or not, but I go back a lot of times and watch like a lot of people's short videos and kind of see how they trade, just so I can get a different idea. And that's why I love being able to be with y'all in the Discord and stuff like that, and y'all actually talk out your trades. Y'all say, well, hey, I'm seeing, this, flag on the 1-5-15 or, initial balance and stuff like that. I mean, I love learning that too, because that's just another tool in the toolbox, right? Fish says that a lot. But I love having that ability to be able to see it with y'all and see and say, wait a minute, he keeps calling out, this certain EMA or something, and it works, so I'm going to watch that. Or, and naturally, it helps if I just get on here and follow the trend, and the trend goes the right way all day, and I never fade it. That's usually when we get the most views, but how many of y'all hate the commercials in the chat? Are the commercials on my channel annoying y'all to death? I love fishes. Long now, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I mean, is this a bear flag or? I mean, we're at our 25 range fish. I don't know if we go back down to 900 now. Nah, I just hear the music, okay. I'm actually going to try. I'm probably not going to run them. I'm not going to run them a couple days next week because our views have gone down. Like well, I don't know how much we're making. Not a lot, but our views have, I don't know, cut in half maybe. We're averaging about 200, and we were up to the 400s almost. So I don't know if that's a double-edged sword or. Any YouTubers here that know any? You know, the first day when they put the commercials on my page, I saw a big push, but now it seems like we're not getting as many people stopping by. And the week before, oh, I got to do another short video, but the week before we did a nice short video and it just exploded and took off. We had almost 200,000 views in like 3 days. And that was like the first short video I'd done. I was doing 2 a day for months, and then I didn't do any for like a month. And that one just took off. I think they were trying to tell me to, hey, keep doing them. And so guys, if you're new to the tack room, smash that like button for us. Help us out. We're at Freedom 250. Click that subscribe button. If anybody would like to join our Discord and trade with us in Asia session and stuff like that with my good buddy Sinister, type howdy or something in the chat and we'll throw the link in there if you haven't seen it already.
This is a cowboy's log, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset, reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's come, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle to the screen, we grind. Sharpen the edge, refine the mind. Refine the mind.
Give me just a second, guys. I'm going to go grab some coffee. I'm going to grab some coffee. Do I have a coffee chart here? Do I have a coffee? Look at this. Look at this.
Coffee gone cold on a desk lamp glow.
Give me like 2 minutes, chat.
But I don't leave home watching that.
Hey, this could be another bear flag, too. What do y'all think when we start trading single stocks? I was reading around July 27th. It kicks off.
Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the fight.
Chef, I mean, I'm down, bro. Let's figure something out. Let's see if we can't get together. Let's see if we can't have like a little powwow in the Discord one night or something and talk about it. I mean, is anybody interested in doing anything like that? Maybe we could have a little channel in there or something and we could talk about some of those trades. And I don't know if there's such a thing. I mean, I don't know how it's going to be, right? Because we've never been in this area, but when they have something coming out or some news or something or earnings or something like that, maybe that's when we can just have like a, I mean, I don't know, this is going to sound crazy, but like a NVIDIA night or NVIDIA week or, you know, Tesla hour. I don't know. I think it'd be cool. I know my son's looking forward to it. Week anyway, we have massive resistance at 30,000. 1 hour EMA sitting there too. Look at that push down. Oh, I wanted that bear flag right there. And then I wanted this bear flag right here. And I missed them both. I was thinking of looking into some to them. Yeah, I mean, let's, I'm down to explore that for sure. I'm just curious to see if they'll get a little more movement at night or if it's going to be kind of a YOLO type scenario or what it's going to be. NVIDIA or Apple. And you know the guy we could ask, I haven't seen him here in the chat this morning yet, but if Nam is very good at watching all those stocks and everything, so me and him are kind of just now briefly talking about exploring some other stuff, so I need to get with Sinister 2 on it, but we have some flow charts and stuff that is in the Discord now, but I need to figure out how to implement them, where you can literally type in a stock and it'll give you, like the flow of the options chain, your puts and calls and stuff like that. So we just got to figure out how to implement it in there where people can use it, and then train people to use it where they can just I think it'll be as easy as you just kind of type in the stock you want to look at, and it'll give you those options. But it's been there for months, guys, but TC's not that smart. I know H-Town's played around with it just a little bit, so. Can it break the 200 right here? In Q, the 200 sitting at 906. I guess they're the same. I'll be right back, guys. Give me just a second. Well, guys, it's not a coffee, but I found an energy drink. Yeah, that will be interesting what the tax implications is.
Let's go, let's ride. Coffee on, screen is glowing. Sun comes up, numbers going. Little green flicker on the side. Got that itch for one more.
Still at 900 to 925, right, Fish? The second I double my contracts, though. Still there.
Them candles climb like fence posts in a flood. Every
No wick at the top of that candle.
talks a whole lot of blood. I got dust on my boots and a screen full of lies. Too many all-time highs got us rolling our eyes. We've been riding this ridge too long with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy when the whole town's sold. So tip that cap now. Hear that market groan. Come on down, Bob. Come on down, Bob. Give us that pullback. Drop it low.
Good thing to be on a yacht. I think I'll have them prep the chopper. Oh, I'm telling you, man, we decided we were going to leave for the cabin today, and I decided like kind of last minute last night. I got home, I was like, let's just go now. So we got everything ready, loaded, jumped in the car, got all my stuff for streaming, just the stuff that I keep at the house, and got on the road, and we pulled in here a little after 2 a.m. Takes us about 5 hours, and then wanted to make sure I got all my stuff set up. So I got it all set up, in bed by 4, up by 7. Trying to put a wick on the top of that previous candle, that 914 area. It really didn't do it though. That'll be the day when I can just call the chopper. Just call the chopper. Coming up on our 925, do you just automatically short it there? Don't worry, Chef, you'll be there too. Look at that. It's almost like we could literally just, I should have just clicked short right there. Let's see if it plays. It feels insane to be putting on a sweatshirt right now. 912.5 seems to be the trade line. Long above, short below, 5 macros each way. Don't tempt me with a good time. Here's the only thing. It's going to be that one time. That one time. No wick on the bottom of this candle, but I'd like to be long right here, which is crazy, but thing turned on. This candle was 10 points. This candle is 4 points. This candle right now, 7 points.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Hey! Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Hey! Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, shove them.
There's a push down to the 200.
Let's ride it to the bottom, break that view up. Show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now.
I'm gonna try one contract long right there.
Come on down. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kind of fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the come on and cue. Let's ride it to the bottom, break that view up. Show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Come on down, down. Come on down, down. Come on down, down. Come on down, 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 down.
We'll lower our trend line, guys. Let's see if we get some wicks to push. Our EMAs are curled over, pointing down. This could be the short.
Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hopping. I just sip slow, let the
Yeah, Celtos, just till noon. So we got about, I don't even know what time it is. We got about 2 hours left, hour and a half.
that's what makes a range. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet.
Just trying to get some views, you know what I mean, Celtos? Just trying to get a little bit of views.
Trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Singing
I really want to short this though.
the only thrill I trust.
Should have pulled the trigger when it touched those EMAs.
Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ level results. From a honky
I guess until it breaks 900 though. Super low golden Asia, yeah, everything, man, everything. We've had a nice little 25-point channel. I mean, I'm up 1400 on an eval, and this one right here we're up 360 now. We were up a little over 400 a second ago.
trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I
can get out of this one. 912 short paid. I knew it, fish. Those EMAs that broke that trend line.
My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth.
Try to get out of this so I can look for a little short position. Kind of want to see a sell off. Up 760, playing both ways. Nice. And to top it off, fish with micros too, right? That's the super impressive part. I mean, I'm up 14 on that eval, but that's minis. So
Comes up on the tick chart glow. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a dealing tune while
3 to 5, yeah.
like a dusty old car. Well, trader riding ass
Gonna sell a few of these off when we're back green.
Mark those guys
I'd really like to see
jack swing in his soul.
kind of us go up there and touch the 200 and the EMAs and fall some more, but I want to be short when that happens.
Riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the
If you're new to the stream, guys, smash that like button, click that subscribe button. Thanks for being here.
pull back, then I'm done.
Welcome to our Tack Room 2.0
Singing sweet like a backroom choir
right here in Colorado.
with everyone.
Look, there's the drop. Come on.
Good news whispers
Let's see if we get a pop now.
breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Well, Trevor riding NASDAQs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that on B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terpinator smiles. Here comes the good news through the chop. We still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles glow.
It was 41 when I woke up this morning, fish. It was a nice 60 degrees last night, so. If the sun would come out, it would be t-shirt weather. We just got to get that sun out. Yeah, we're kind of at the top of a little mountain here, so we're up a little over 10,000 foot in elevation. We got bears and bobcats and deer and stuff like that, but we're up just high enough there's no snakes, so you can trek through a lot of the woods and stuff we have and not worry about snakes. Yeah, I know it. I'm gonna try to bring some back with me, Chef.
Alarm bell rings, screens light up, green and red light.
Alright, I'm gonna try to take this off since I got it back to even.
Got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping.
I'll keep one just to see if we get a push up here.
Cross a lane,
Maybe we get a push up here to the
talking about a shit.
9 EMA.
Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a bad
Give us a little 10 points on those last two, maybe.
Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb.
Good news. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for being here. Have a great weekend. Yeah, Chef, it's been crazy, right? We've had kind of thunderstorms and rain every night. And it's kind of a tradition we have. Some of our family can't be here this year, but we kind of just all gather around to get here on the 4th, so it's pretty cool. Have our HOA meeting and stuff like that we go to, so but it's pretty cool. Need to come here more often. What's for dinner? We're not gonna do anything too big. We're gonna have or supper, yeah. All right, got taken out at even right there. We're just gonna do the old classic hamburgers and hot dogs again. We'll probably have steaks. Probably Sunday, I guess, but hamburgers and hot dogs for sure. It always costs so much whenever you do stuff like this too, right? Like if you go somewhere just to do something, I mean, you always have to, you know, instead of going to the grocery store and it being a couple $100, it may be $500 or $600 because you're making sure you have, you know, all the little bitty things and making sure you have extra. And I mean, we have a little store down from us about 25 minutes from us, but then I mean, they don't have anything really fresh, but you know, it's well, I guess what are we? We're like 50 miles from Trinidad, but it takes like an hour and a half to get there, hour and 40 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer than that. Now it's going to get that push up.
Coffee cup ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching, giving it time.
No phones in the middle of the lake and enjoying the moment. Yeah, you know, I mean, we had terrible internet when we first got this place, and zero cell phone service, right? I mean, we had towers and all, or you know, the little powered antennas and stuff to try to give you better cell phone service, but zero cell phone service. So we'd have to jump in the Ranger and drive to a spot about a quarter mile from here just to get service. and we tried a couple other local internet providers here. And I have Starlink at home, so we finally got Starlink here, and it changed the whole world for us. So we still have 0 cell service, but we can call out, you know, through the or whatever the Apple Wi-Fi calling is. But so we can make calls and get calls that way. But if somebody has something other than an Apple and they try to text us or something, we get nothing. So it's super nice until you get about an hour and a half from here. Then you start getting all those messages from the week you were gone. So I'll probably stay here. I don't know when we'll go back, chat. I'll go back, I don't know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sometime next week. Jose, the biggest. What's happening, Jose? I don't even know if my phone's changed time. I feel like it changes back and forth. Is it 10:38 Texas time right now? What's going on, Jose? How you doing today? You ready for the 4th? Did you get off today? Yes, sir. 10:30. All right. So all my stuff's on Texas time, except for my watch, except for my smartwatch. That don't make any sense. So we got about an hour and 20 minutes. If it slows down much more, we may have to start the 4th early. But feel like that put a little gap right there, huh? Look at that gap.
I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah. Yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! We are gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest.
Trying to get in a couple trades with you, and yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Man, Jose, I tell you what, this is just hard. Got the meat marinating. Nice. What are we doing, Jose? Some fajitas? Some tacos? We almost did that. I almost brought enough stuff to do some street tacos. If my daughter had got to come, she had to work, but that is her number one go-to. We make street tacos. I mean, even that candle has a gap, I think. It does on NQ. Look at that, right back up and filled it. That one had a gap, filled it. Now our range is 88 to 900. Can't get it all on the screen.
May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back. That's what this ride's about. I'm still a trading cowboy. Hear me laugh and sing it loud. Use code cowboy for your discount.
Look at that, drew it and it pushed right off of it. Sinister we were, I think. I mean, we were. I literally drew this from the bottom, from the low all the way to right here. And the second I did it, this one came down and bounced right off of it. But are we going to have a sell-off? That's what I want to know. I mean, are we going to sell off?
Alarm bell rings, screens light up.
Or is the war going to be over?
Like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan. Ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages across the lane in. MACD talking about a shift in the wind.
Do you go long and put your stop below 80? Is this a W? Is this a W, chat? I'm gonna try it. Where's my next support? Alright, my stop is gonna be below 80. Our next support's 75. I'm gonna do around 70. If we break below and close below our trend line, I'll get out. But we just target these 920s. Nom, my man, what's happening, Nom? Good morning. Good morning, good sir. How has your day been going? Nom, welcome to the Tack Room 2.0. Just started my day. Good job, Nom. We were talking a little bit earlier, Nom, just about, not about futures necessarily, but Chef was kind of talking about, I think he said on the 27th we'll be able to trade, you know, we'll be able to trade stocks. Just like futures now. And so one day, maybe the next week or so, we would like to get all together and kind of have just a little powwow, throw everybody's minds together and see what everybody's thoughts are, kind of see how everybody you included, you know, thinks that it's going to move and stuff, how the market's going to react, you know, if you're wanting to trade, you know, Nvidia or Tesla 24 hours a day, and what the tax implications and stuff would be on that and stuff. So yeah, exactly. So be thinking on that. Be thinking on that. You probably already have. All right, I'm gonna take one off. Oh, did you see that rocket up there? Oh, it missed me by 4 points. Here we go. Here's the push. I'm gonna move my stop up here to 905. Many scrummers can see how they are going to manage the risk, especially for those who are giving out leverage. Yeah, I know my son's already using some of their leverage, you know, just trading options and stuff. So, but yeah, that's super cool. I think it'd be maybe one night or something we can jump in the Discord and we can all chat. Now they have to have someone 24 hours, yeah. Here we go, guys. I think I'm gonna drop a stop in here. Drop my other stop below the 50. Still gonna target this here. It may take this one out at 908. That seems like a huge trade. 16 points. Still have to see how the participation is going to be from the Robin Hooders. Yeah. I just didn't know, Nom, you know, in different scenarios, but, you know, like if it's going to be, you know, earnings and tech talk and stuff like that, if that would move some of that stuff. 10-4, Nom. Something to think about. I'm kind of looking forward to it. I've never traded any of those others. Yeah, I think so. I'm down.
Sun comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in the
Kind of trying to make a little bull flag right here.
opens what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo.
Volatility, expect large trends flying we shall see.
Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune.
Appreciate it, Nom. If we don't see you again, have a great weekend. Have a great weekend.
In this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B.
Guys, if you're new to the stream, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, help a cowboy out. Welcome to the tack room. Come on.
Session taps his ring on the desk, says one more pullback, then I'm done. Yeah, Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good new whispers like a back.
There's 20 points almost. Coming about back on 20 points. It's coming back to us. Looking for those 920s to be taken out. Just looking back to the left, trying to hit that shoulder. Stops below the EMAs at 903s. There's 20 points again. Let's see if we can get that push. This is our last runner right here. All right, stopped us out right there just to keep pumping probably. Literally came right down to my stop. I really don't even think, did that even touch it? Oh yeah, 903.25. What was our stop? $903.25 was our stop. That candle hit 903.25 and then jump back up 10 points. Classic. Here's the top of our little trend. Can it push above it?
For the faint of heart, fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trade to see.
Make sure you smash that like button, guys. Happy 4th of July. Back to 1K. 500. Did you short that, Sinister? Yeah, for sure. This is why I do what I do. I shorted it. I thought so. Man, you know it's crazy right now. I'm kind of watching because this 5 minute, I kind of expected to reject right here on this trend line. Just because it's been bouncing off the top and bottom every time. It's getting tight, but if it gets above it, it may be a nice little push. Mr. Twister just poking in to say hi. Slow day for future trading as expected. Have a great 4th. Back to trading on Monday. Hey, have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Happy 4th. Happy 250th. America. We'll see y'all Monday for sure. We'll still be here in the TAC Room 2.0 here in Colorado, but don't hesitate to holler if y'all need something in the Discord. We got about another hour, guys. I'm going to try to hang out for a little bit more, but let's see what happens. If it rejects right here, we should have just shorted it. But I keep telling myself, what if this is the time? What if this is the one time? I mean, this could be a bull flag, right? Maybe one wick down here below 904, maybe. All right, I'm going to start one right there. I want it to come down to 901-ish. I mean, it kind of needs to come all the way back down to 895, right? Added one on that push down. Neural, what's up, buddy? I can always count on Neural. Good to see you here, my friend.
One setup, one clean execution, one funded account, away from changing everything. The trading cowboy.
Where are you? I'm in my TAC Room 2.0, Neural. We're at our family cabin in Colorado. We drove last night about 5 hours after we got done. Yeah, here we are. We're gonna be here for a few days. Might have to get me a better chair though. I'll take some pictures here when we get done. Everybody was still sleeping a while ago, so. Low volume, fix your mic. Do we have low volume still? So yeah, we're here in Colorado, so be here for a few days, Neural.
Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast, but every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters. That don't last.
Well, a while ago, our 200 EMA was protecting us, keeping us above it. I clearly told y'all, short the trend. Short this trend line right here. Close the terminal. Enjoy your weekend. Bean, I will, brother. I will.
Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the bills.
We got just a little bit. I'm gonna stay here just a little bit longer. Then we'll jump off here. Yeah, no momentum at all. Graybeard Scalper, what's up, my friend? We're just hanging out, taking some small trades.
Most people quit too early, right before the move they were waiting for. The market rewards
Just in the day with 657. Nice. That's pretty successful right now. We're up 382 on this one. 106 on this one. I need to get 50 more bucks on it. And then I'm up 1577 on just excuse me, just on an eval that was almost blown, and now I've got it back up to 50,000. So I'm not touching it again today. I'll start over fresh Monday with it when we have some volume. But got the trades in the Asia session, man. That Asia, man, that would have been phenomenal.
Coffee gone cold, I still king. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I rope that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out.
I think I caught that. I caught that 7 o'clock candle Texas time. I caught it. Made like 400 bucks on that eval and then closed it. Didn't catch any of this move, and then this morning we caught this to clear that eval. I did the same trades as I did with this funded account, but on this funded right here I used micros, and on that eval I used minis. So just to get that little oomph, we had a little bit of cushion. So, and it felt like I didn't have a lot to lose, right? ATR 3.5, gonna call it. See you next week. Happy 4th. God bless. You too, Fish. Have a great weekend, man. Appreciate you being here for sure. We'll give it a few more minutes, guys. A few more minutes. All right, Abeen. Have a great weekend, buddy. Hit us up in the Discord if you need something. Hey, there's Mr. What do you call him now? Mr. I'll be there early. What is up, Zero Don? Welcome to the chat. Bean, probably none of them is real. Don't click on any of them, a bean. Now, if you get a, if you click on me in the chat in the actual Discord, you'll see that on top of my little profile picture, you'll see that I have a little robot up there, and you'll see every now and then he kind of puts his fingers out and like shoots his gun, like his little fingers like a gun. If you see that on there, that's me. But if you'll look real close, I bet when it says the Trading Cowboy or something, I bet you some of it's misspelled or they got extra letters in there or something. So there's already a couple imposters. If you ever, all of them have, yeah, and they all have my profile picture, but my profile picture has movement to it. So check it out and see. But one day we'll get in the Discord next week, and while we're on YouTube, and I'll send you a DM so you know it's actually me. And then you can, what I like to do is if somebody, like if you do it, I'll actually go on there in the notes and I'll put, this is the real Bean. I put it in my notes where I know if I see a message from this person, that's real. But yeah, I don't know if I'm honored or confused at why somebody would already be imitating the Trading Cowboy. But yeah, we've already had, I think, 7 or 8 imitations already. So if anybody knows how to get rid of those a little bit, me and Nom are going to work on that next week, I think. But hopefully Sinister will help me too. But we're going to try to get some of that eliminated. So if anybody has any ideas, let us know. But I do have, I don't know what you call those, but I do have some paid for movement in my profile picture. I have a little robot that sits on top of my profile picture. I don't know. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, have a good weekend. We'll talk about it next week for sure. Just don't invest in any of them, Abin, okay? Don't invest in any crypto or anything they have. Hey, I have a legit reason I was out late. My grandmother's house AC unit went out yesterday, so this morning I replaced the unit. Cost me $3,800. So it cost you, what, 4 minutes of trading? You're a saint, Zero Dawn. That's just going to be one extra crown, jewel in your crown in heaven, buddy. You just can't get any movement. It's hard to trade 3-point candles, Zero Dawn. Oh, nice. That 4-ton, and even as efficient as they are now from what she probably had, it'll still be way cheaper on her too, huh? Getting a little bit of movement now. Is this going to curl down now? Nope. Bounce off the trend line again. Bounce off the bear flag. Where we're at right now, Zero Dawn, you don't even need an air conditioner. We don't even have one here. Exactly how has trading been for you today? Well, Zero Dawn, right now we are up $395 on this account right here. We're about what, $1,700 over our buffer. We're still gonna push this one a little bit, but and then I'm up 106.96 on another one. My most proudest one, though, let me see if I can switch back over there. My most proudest is this one right here, and this is a Tradeify that I have from, I've had it for a little while, but I haven't traded it. Well, yesterday, and all that volatility, I literally entered a trade. It got up about $100, and I was in the same trade on another funded. This is just an eval, to be clear right here, but I was up like $100. There was a shoulder there. It pushed that shoulder, so I added another one. I was adding to the winner, and it dropped. And in like 10 seconds, this thing had, Tradeify has a $1,250 daily loss limit. It lost like $1,500. I mean, it lost more than the loss limit, which I think they should have to, take care of or something. But this morning, I took the same trades I took on this screen for the most part, but I used the mini. We made $1,577, but it just barely got it back over the 50,000. So we're not, we haven't got anywhere, but eval not blown, crisis averted. I'm not going to trade it again until Monday when we have some volume, but I was able to at least save an eval, get it back up. Maybe Monday or Tuesday we'll start working on things, see if we can't get it past. It's a Tradeify growth. Which, guys, if you do need an account, slip over to Tradeify. Since we're talking about Tradeify, use the code CB to save the same as everybody else, but you'll be helping out the Cowboy right here. You'll be feeding hungry kids, right? My hungry kids. Same thing happened to me with Russell 2K. Man, it was crazy. Yeah, kind of a war situation. I mean, I am, I am up on that funded right there, and it's eligible for a payout, but I'm going to wait. I regret saying that, live, but I'm going to wait until I get a little bit better buffer. At least go for full payout. Full payout, I have to get it up to 157 for a full payout, but I'm going to try to get it up even higher than that before I take a payout. But here we go, coming into this situation right here. I'm going to go ahead and take one off right there. Looking for this top shoulder at 910s, 911s. Finally getting a little bit of a push. Yeah, Graybeard, I just hate, man, it was so fast. And I was literally fixing to switch over to it because I was up 100. I was literally right there, and I added into the contract. I said, man, this is going to be a $3,000 banger. I'm going to be able to pass this eval live right here. And before I could switch over to it, it closed it out. Graver says, man, I've blown evals with just being $100 away. Zero Dawn, I don't know if it's lag or no volume. Is yours doing it? If yours is doing it, then it's definitely just the volume. If mine's doing it, it could be, well, I don't know, my internet's not too bad. I checked it. It was over 100. A while ago, it looked like it just stopped. I thought I was going to have to tap the monitor to get it working again. I'm going to take another one off right there. I'm going to see if it'll hit that 911 too. If it'll hit that 911, that'll leave me one. We'll drop a stop. And honestly, well, I'm surprised it hadn't. We're finally breaking that little trend. Attaboy, Sinister. That shouldn't be too hard, Sinister. What's 400 between friends? You and the NASDAQ. Coming back from trading this morning, I'm having trouble logging in back into Trade of 8. Not a mucho. That's weird, Zero I didn't have any problems logging in, but it has been lagging like crazy. Now I know I have heard, and y'all have seen it happen to me twice now. But I have seen where people have had the same problem as me, where they log into the Trade of 8 and all their charts are like brand new, like you have to start completely over. That's happened to me twice, and I've seen this couple guys talking about it here lately, that maybe one of the updates or something. Look at that, it literally wouldn't take out my TP up there, 1150, but it's coming all the way back down to get these stops. But so make sure you go in there and save your, I have mine saved twice now, but if you go over here to your template list, make sure you have them. I have one Cowboy and one CV. But make sure you save your template, because you're going to need it one day. You're going to need it one day. Because one day you're going to log into Trade of 8 and everything's going to be different. Now, a week or so ago, I did it. This happens all the time with that user agreement. Oh, yeah. I noticed last week, all my everyone I logged into, it was new user agreements. So yeah, make sure you save your templates for sure. So this candle here actually hit, this candle right here actually hit my TP. So I'm gonna move it up. I'm gonna move it to the 20s. Look at that. Oh, now it's gonna stop at 15. Oh. Alright, I'm moving my stop to 905. I should have went to 15. I got excited and went to 20.
Ride the candles, rope the market, and keep showing up. The trading cowboy. Giddy up.
Does anybody have the real data for stocks and stuff on Trade of 8? You know, I was using TradingView, and it expires on me pretty soon. They've already offered me 60% off discount now to stay with them another year, but
I call it one trade away.
does anybody have the real time, I guess, for all the stocks and stuff? Do you just buy that through Trade of 8? Like, for instance, if I look up Nvidia right now,
Away from changing everything. The trading cowboy.
happen.
your chest. Telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy, friends all think I'm broke, but they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. 'Cause deep down,
Let me find it. I don't know why it went all the way to 29.
full port move could set 'em free.
No, it looks like a real chart.
One full portrait from financial freedom, one clean runner from changing my life, one funded payout from telling my family we
Okay, see, it's delayed right now.
fight if it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code.
Please subscribe to a CME data package. I'm guessing since I'm on a prop,
The market, cowboys never quit the fight. One trade
Texas seems to make the best pecan pie in the world, I will tell you. Bro, you're not joking at all. You're not joking. Pecan pie is my favorite. You know, we had it at my wedding, tell my age a little bit, but 26 years ago, we had our big cake, and then my groom's table had pecan pies all over it. So yeah, have a great weekend, man. Enjoy. Zero Dawn, where are you at currently? I'm in Colorado. I'm at our family cabin in Colorado. So we have a cabin up here, close to La Vida, and we come up here on the 4th every year, kind of like a little family tradition. We usually all make it. This year we're missing quite a few people, but and I'm probably gonna stay here for a couple days. The Tack Room 2.0. See you Monday for sure. Thanks for stopping by. Sinister says his mouth just drooled. There's nothing like waking up in the middle of the night and going getting a pecan pie and just eating it right out of the pan. I love pie, Sinister. Yeah. Sinister, that's why I used to weigh over 100 pounds more than I weigh now.
right before the move they were waiting for.
I love food.
The market rewards the cowboy
I love tacos, barbecue, and pecan pie.
who keep riding.
Ooh, I bet that was good. I bet that was good, Sinister. That's some fresh bacon for sure. Yeah, we'll have to have Chef whip us up sometime. Zero Dawn, this is one of our bailout locations. We got a little over 40 acres here, so we enjoy it. I love making pecan pie cheesecake, Zero Dawn. Yeah, I dig that. I dig that for sure. I love all cheesecake. Pumpkin cheesecake, my favorite for Thanksgiving. You know, every year, no matter what, and I mean every holiday too, but Mindy's grandma makes me a pecan pie. She has for, geez, 30 years probably, since before we were married. But she always makes sure I have a pecan pie no matter what. So And here lately, she's older, still gets around really good, but she lives with my wife's parents now, but she's 96. Still gets around, I mean, she's using a walker just now, like the last, year, but she still gets up, walks around and stuff. But now she just calls somebody and says, hey, you got to come over and help make the pecan pie. So I still get my pecan pie. Chef sucker for, yeah, everybody in my family likes pecan pie, or pumpkin pie, which I'm fine with everybody liking pumpkin pie because they stay away from my pecan pie. Yeah, it works out good, real good. Indeed, Zero, indeed. We got a ton of trees. We got a small creek that runs through. It's a really cool place. Yeah, Sinister. I mean, I think then that's what I'm going to do with my other one, right? The one that I did good on this morning. I'm going to wait for Monday, get some good volatility, step in with some micros and start trading that thing. But I mean, with these ATRs right now, what are we at right now? That one was 5 points. Previous candle's 8 points. This one had a little bit. 20 points was that previous candle, but on a 5. Well, that was on a 5. What is our 1 minutes? 5 points. 3 points. 4 points. So basically, Sinister, you need to 5 minis and catch the right direction, and you can be done in 1 minute. Or yeah, I hope it stays in this range. I was trying to see if this was going to draw out a little bit. That one's not going to work. So probably if we just go from open low. How does that work out? So now let me make it a little smaller. So it's trying to break out from there. I hear you, Zero. I hear you. I love it. Not really taking any more trades. Made 500 and locked it up. Oh, look at that drop. And started trading my other funded accounts. Nice. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I mean, I clearly got this one good. I got a trade day in. 150 is all you had to have, right? So I think I made 200 and I kept just risking 50 of it. And we got it up to 429. So I think that's pretty successful for what the market's given us today. I was going to get off here already, but I was going to get off at 11:30 my time, Texas time, I guess, but now we're getting a little movement. Are we gonna have a sell-off? That's good for today, yeah, for sure. And to think about it too, I mean, that's all micros. That's what's even more impressive. Zero Dawn, y'all having a big family get together?
Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Charts still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books.
Wow, buy that wick.
Yeah, the market don't care who
It looks big, guys, but that's like 12 points.
you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboy's law. Write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. We find our way. Yeah. Funded accounts and evos in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A plus, yeah, the clean set up and chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch. The one
I got you, Zero.
that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand.
I don't know where you're at, or I'd invite you here, so.
This is the Cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry and flaw I saw.
How fast can you be in Colorado?
From what you lost, saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline.
Stop by the Freedom Store, grab that Barrett, and meet me in Colorado.
But every day's a step inside the trader you're building. Brick by brick, not by luck, but how you stick. This is the Cowboy's law, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's coming, another chance to see.
Guys, if you're new to the stream, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, help a cowboy out. Welcome into the tack room. Actually, the tack room 2.0. This is our second location. This isn't our standard location here. It's a terrible chair I'm sitting in. Guess I have to chill in my hammock in my backyard and watch the fireworks and drink some homemade lemonade. Heck yeah. Zero Dawn, this is the ideal place for your hot chocolate you're always drinking. It was 41 degrees this morning when I got up. Look, I'm wearing a sweatshirt right here.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah, bust those candles, chase that sky. Take that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go. Let's ride. Oh, yeah.
I don't know, Zero. I didn't see that. Maybe, yeah. Yellowstone National Park getting snow. That's crazy. Could be, though. Could be. I did. Well, you know what? I did see something, but I don't know where it was. I don't know what I was looking at. But I did see some place was getting snow that was kind of unusual. Getting that push back up. Here comes the 915s again.
Flowers on the chart, 30 contracts deep. Stop
Nice push.
a suggestion while I chase that losing streak. Now screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh login waiting and a smarter plan to trade. So raise your glass.
Was that another tweet? Somebody tweet. Coming up on the 920s, can we push through? I don't see it pushing through. Maybe it could.
Yeah. The trading Cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing. Giddy up. Rule number one, never size up emotional. Rule number two, don't trade irrational. Rule number three, respect your stop loss line. Broke all three by 9:05. Coffee black, heart racing, market open, palm shaking. Told myself today we trade clean. 5 minutes later, revenge trading. Every chart looks bullish when you need a win. That ain't a setup, Cowboy, that's emotional sin. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like averaging down till I blow clean through. Moving stops farther every single time, saying it'll bounce while the account flatlines. I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. Mama said, boy, you should probably stop, but the NQ candles just don't quit. Giddy up.
Yo, Jonesy, what's up, buddy? What's up, Jonesy? Yo, yo. Did happen to see about the new quarter for the 200th anniversary. Some of the strike ones, it's saying like these 250,000 strikes are being between 1,500 and 3,000 a piece. I didn't see that, Zero. I didn't see that. Do you have one? Did you buy one?
If I hide the P&L, can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass the evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett.
Jonesy, how'd you do today? I hope you didn't trade too much. Thought I blew my PA last week and only know to hit the daily loss limit. What a nice little gift. What a gift. Jonesy, I did the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but I had I had one yesterday that I literally entered one trade. It totally went sideways right here, this little Tradeify, and it hit the daily loss limit. It was so fast that instead of it hitting the 1250, it hit like 1,500 loss. And I made 1577 on it today to get it back up to barely over the 50,000 buffer. So I locked it out. That's a cool thing about Trade of 8 is you can go lock them out right here. Boom, locked out. Boom, you're locked, closed. Move on. Yeah, now I just got to keep studying. That's just an eval, but whoa. Took one trade, made 200 and logged it off, didn't we? Yeah. Yep. Sinister locked his funded account, so I don't take another trade. Yeah. I need to start doing that on stream more, I think, so people will realize that that's the way to do it. I usually lock them and then rotate out of them. I need to start doing more of it on the screen so people see it. Zeroed on, need to save up and buy a headset. You do, man. We got to get you a microphone so you can talk in the chat with us. I mean, we'll just totally forget the fact that you just bought a $3,800 air conditioner system for your grandma, but you can't buy a $19 microphone for us. We'll just totally ignore that. Jonesy, where are you at now? You were working where? Weren't you working down in, where were you? South Africa? Or Africa? Where were you? Didn't you go somewhere to work for a little bit? You're back in the UK again? I got you. Spain, okay. Back in the UK. I wonder how far you are from, we should get y'all together sometime. I need, because I wouldn't mind flying over there sometime. Especially Sinister's planning on going over to Europe sometime, but Big Scotty that's in the chat, he's over there. And then Good News, he's over there. So it's pretty cool if several all in the chatter right there. I'm stingy with my money. We're going to have to set up a GoFundMe for Zero Dawn's microphone. Is it, Jonesy? It's just cool. I'd like to take a little trip over there someday. We were going to do a cruise over to Spain, and I talked to Akash and stuff. He's because he was kind of over in that area, and I was going to try to meet with him if I did get over there because he was telling me some of the stuff that, what time and stuff to go over there and stuff. But I think it'd be neat to like maybe one time take like a couple weeks and go hit all those locations and kind of see everything, and then maybe meet up with some people while I'm there. So, shoot, I even go down to Argentina and stuff like that, and see Juan and stuff that's in the chat. He just had a little baby girl yesterday, so he's pumped. So. Thought about getting you a gift I saw on Amazon. I thought you'd be able to put it on the desk back and put it in the tack room. Am I going to get in trouble for it, Zero Dawn? I'll put it back there. Ten more minutes, guys. I don't know. Is any of the prop firms already locking these things out? Heck yeah, Jonesy. We can show you a good time here in Texas. It is appropriate. All right, Zero Dawn. Maybe when we get bigger, Jonesy, we'll be able to have a nice little meetup with everybody in our clan. We'll be able to plan something cool. Do a couple locations so everybody don't have to travel real far. I don't know, Zero Dawn. I keep watching it. I mean, if we move this now, that's what it's lining up off of. We can raise, why does it do that sometimes? We can raise that to there. Bouncing right off our flag. And Jonesy, we got a chef right here in the chat too. So, I mean, he can whip you up anything right here in Texas. Look at our diversity. Our diversity's crazy. Not much left here, guys. Let's go ahead and call it. What do you think? Nice or well kept sharp. I love it. I love it. Juan does. What is his name in the chat? Solace, I think, is what his name is in the chat. But Juan, he's down in Argentina. I almost said the place. Let me see if I can. He's in Mar del Plata in Argentina. Too cool. He's the one that just had the baby girl. They had a little girl yesterday. Always wanted to go to America. My dad doesn't want me to. Says I'll get shot. Jonesy, I don't think you'll get shot. You just probably. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I know it's nice where you are, but you may not want to go back. That's all I'm saying. I mean, I haven't got shot yet. No, I said yet. I mean, I'm not taking it off the table. But I am also saying that everybody here in Texas, kind of Colorado, I mean, we all pretty much have something with us. We do like our guns, but very responsible. Yeah. Do you trade Sunday? You know what? I may try to get on there Sunday. Sinister will probably be in there for sure. I don't know if he'll be in for open, but I'll try to jump on Sunday if I have time. I say that every week, I think. I think I've done it twice, but if I do though, we'll do it in the Discord, okay? Sugar Trades. If I do, it'll be in the Discord probably. I probably won't do it on YouTube. So check us out in the Discord for open. Hit us up there for sure. I feel like you used to have to do an IQ test before buying a gun. I mean, Jones, so we need to do, and this is I'm just talking out loud, so don't take this with, any force behind it. But so I think the reason needs to be two things that could happen, right? We either you could have to do an IQ test, maybe, but I don't even know. I think your IQ could be too high, maybe, and still be bad. But I think either we need to do that, or we need to go back to the Old West days, where everybody has one, and after a while, I think all the politeness, all the respect, and all that'll come back, right? Because, if you walk into the post office and everybody's carrying a gun, well, you're probably going to hold the door open for that guy carrying something, right? You're probably not going to want to make him mad. When you're at the traffic light, you're probably going to let that other guy go first, right? So I think a lot of respect and stuff would come back if we went back to the Old West days, right? You're going to take your hat off when you walk into the building. You're not going to, use foul language in front of women anymore because, everybody's carrying a gun. I think a lot of the respect and responsibility. And I think maybe at the end of the day, some people get shot. Hopefully they don't die, but they probably learned a lesson. So, maybe that's an option. It worked back then. Been shooting guns since I was a kid, hunting, fishing, have respect people around, and yeah, yeah, for sure. I mean, you know, we have a couple family pawn shops, and so we deal with guns a lot, and um, you know, with the background, you do the background checks, and the FBI has the background checks, and you go through all that stuff. So at the end of the day, it's usually the people that don't. It's usually the people that don't go through those background checks, right? So, I mean, I'm sure it's like that over there where you are, Jonesy. It's usually the people, you know, if you can't have a gun, well, who has the gun? The bad guy, right? So, I don't know. I don't know what the right answer is. I always wonder about that. The Wild West just seemed like they did respect each other. I mean, yeah, I mean, and I don't know. I mean, didn't you respect everybody? I mean, I mean, I think they put everybody in jail to kind of show peace through fear, right? If you do something wrong, we're going to put you in jail. Respect is a lot about how you were brought up. I agree with that 100%. I think it's about who you want to become, too. How you were brought up 100% and then who you want to be. I mean, I see a lot of people that have, you know, if you look at brothers and you can see brothers that one goes one way and one goes the other, right? And maybe that's where the IQ comes into play too. I don't know. I'd agree it may be how many spankings you got as a kid. I think that helps me. For the 4th of July, Jonesy. So this is America's 250th anniversary. The 4th of July, it's tomorrow. So we got that early close. That's why we didn't have any volume today either. Just no volume. Yeah, Chef. I think that's why I didn't have any ADHD or anything like that. Those good slaps to the back of the head. Oh no, Jonesy. Did it close it out for you? Did it close it out for you, Jonesy? Surely it closed it, right? They're not liquidating those, yeah. I mean, at least you were on the right side of it. Oh. It spiked up and closed me for like 20. Oh. I guess I should have said something. That's why I was going to get off here a while ago, because I thought, well, we only got 10 minutes left, but. Well, guys, let's get out of here, man. Thanks for being here, guys. Jonesy, thanks for jumping in the chat, man. We miss you being here. We need to catch up sometime. We all need to be able to jump in the Discord certain days and trade a little bit. Asia London session or something. So we need to get good news and all that in there, and have some late night powwows where we can all talk. You know, Jonesy, like when you type in the chat, had a break, but I'm back. Yeah. But you know, everybody in the chat, when y'all talk to me, I have to make up your own voices in my head. So when I get to hear y'all in the Discord and stuff, I'm like, oh wow. So then now I know what your voice really sounds like. So some of y'all in the chat, I've never heard y'all's voices. So we got to get in the Discord sometime and talk so I can hear everybody's voices. So that'll be the voices I hear when y'all say, don't do that or get out of that trade or. So, Chef, happy Freedom 250, and y'all have a great, safe weekend. Yeah, you too, guys. Let's break it out of here, man. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of the group, guys. What a blessing it's been, man. I really appreciate y'all. We've come a long way. We got a lot of more trail to ride together, hopefully. So let's all be trail riders together. Let's ride that trail, forward or backward. Chef, Jonesy, Zero Dawn, everybody else left in the chat, thanks for being here. H-Town, have a great day. Have a good weekend. Happy to find some similar momentum trading. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, hit me up in the Discord if y'all need anything, guys. Be safe. If you're in America, happy 4th. Be responsible with those fireworks, right? This is today is the last day. Some people are going to have some fingers, so stay safe, guys. Have a nice weekend. Rest and enjoy. Do not drink to it. Yeah, don't worry. You too. Yeah, guys. Hey, appreciate all of y'all. Be safe, guys. Remember, the Trading Cowboy loves y'all no matter what you do. Happy 4th. God bless each and every one of y'all, whether you want it or not. And remember, guys, no matter where you go, there you are. Thanks, guys. Giddy up.
We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, coffee gone. Charts were dancing on the screen, you and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low, time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one riding. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. Same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one riding.